So this kind of the sadhu is known as a bhand sadhu. So one who take an association of such kind of a sadhu. So in a scriptures it is said that so that's why the Srimad Bhagavatam is saying. So in a scriptures the sadhu sangha hari katha. So in a first chapter and a second shloka it is said that the Nirmatsara sadhu, we should take an association of a Nirmatsara sadhu. So like we should listen Hari Katha, which is full of the love which makes our heart melted. Don't associate with an Bhand sadhu, means a bogus sadhu. So we should know like which is a sadhu, who is a sadhu. So in a Srimad Bhagavatam it has described. So one is a pure sadhu and other is a duplicate sadhu. So do you understand by the sadhu? So the sadhu who used to eat so much, like want for the tasty sadhu. Like the another meaning of the sadhu is like with his own sadhan bhajan, he used to worship the Lord. So in the scriptures it is told about the sadhus kathas who used to do the bhajan, Nirmatsara sadhu, like ekanta, doing the seva of the Lord and doing the Harinam. So from the mouth of the sadhu we should listen the Hari Katha. So now it is in a time over. So that's why it is said that the sadhu sangha sarva shastra kai love matra sadhu sangha sarva siddhi hoy. What does it mean of a love? Love means 1 second division of 11, that is called as a love. It is like a very small time period. It's called a love. So like very less time if somebody do the sadhu sangha, so then he will get in a sarva siddhi. So that's why it is said that the sadhu sanghe shravane. So mosa means a mosquito also associate with us or not? Mosata means mosquito. Mosquito also doing the sadhu sang. What sadhu sang he is doing? He is actually sucking our blood. This is not in a sadhu sang. Sadhu sang, which is in a proper way, it is in a dadati pratigranati guha makhyati. Like we should give and we should take from the sadhu. Bhujyamam khyati. So like reveal your heart in front of the sadhu. Pruchati, like you should inquire the questions from the sadhu. So what is the like how we can overcome the obstacles which is coming in our bhakti marga? So Shukdev, Parikshit Maharaj asked many questions to Shukdev Goswami in a Bhagavatam. So what questions the Parikshit Maharaj has asked in front of the Shukdev Goswami? The Parikshit Maharaj asked many questions. So Srimad Bhagavatam, the first chapter, the Sonakadi Rishigan also asked the 6 questions. So these six questions are the essence of an Srimad Bhagavatam. What is our good benefit? How we can get a topmost benefit? So the second question is like what term is known as an bhakti. How like God will please. So by only the bhakti the God will please. Third question is, even the Swam, the Vasudev Bhagwan, when how like he took birth in the from the Devaki and Vasudev. So fourth question is like the please tell me the beautiful pastimes between the Krishna and Balram. So like all the incarnation of the Lord, please tell me about that. All the yugas, avatar. So like all the incarnation story, like please tell all the incarnation story in front of me. So like a Kurma, Matsya avatar. So like how they incarnated, I want to know about all the incarnation of the God. So this is the fifth question, and the sixth question is like Lord Krishna, when he will go from this planet to the Golok Vrindavan Dham. So at that time Dharma will take whom shelter. So like this beautiful, after listening this beautiful question, the speaker will give answer in a beautiful way. So like if the questions asking person is asking very nice questions, then the speaker feels so much happiness inside his heart, and he feel like to give an answer. So like if you will ask questions in a proper way, on a right way, then the speaker will answer you in a proper and a right way. So like somebody comes to Gurudev and asks like how I can get the sleep. So this is not in a right question. So even to ask a question, it is not an easy thing. You also read in school at the examination hall, when the examiner gives in a question paper, so they also think about giving in a question. And even on the question paper it is written, you should read the question like many times. You should understand the question nicely. So like you didn't understand the question and you answered wrong, so this will not be right way. So the Parikshit Maharaj asked the questions to Shukdev Goswami, and the Shukdev Goswami answered all the questions to the Parikshit. So now like I will going to stop. So in a Ras Leela, so the Parikshit Maharaj asked a question to the Shukdev Goswami, like you should listen very carefully. Like you all are educated. So because now our yuga is an educated yuga. So now like they are giving the money and taking the degree without even study. So like 4th class, there is a school which is known as a primary school. Like, okay, like the till the 4th class, nothing to give to pay. After the 4th class, like need to be give something money. So Yadupati Bhagwan Krishna, when he came in this world, so in the Gita Bhagwan said, Pratirana like he said or not? In the Gita, he said these shlokas or not? So these demons, like they are destroying our Varnashram Dharma. For just killing the demons, the God incarnated in every yugas and always protect the sadhus and manifest the dharma on the planet. So in the Bhagavad, similarly this katha is going on. So the Parikshit Maharaj asked question, when the Krishna incarnated in this planet for killing the demon and just to protect the Varnashram Dharma. But very beautiful katha spoke. So Bhagwan Shri Krishna with the gopis, he is doing the leela. So which dharma he is following? He is doing the leela with the gopis. So which dharma he is following? So he didn't get married with the gopis and he is doing the Ras Leela with the gopis. So which dharma he want to show and manifest in the planet? So he actually did the marriage with the Mahishi, the queens of the Dwarka. So you have seen many of the posters in which the Krishna is doing the Ras Leela with the gopis. So by this, like how the journal people get in a benefit. As the like the high class personality or the topmost personality do the shows the example that the lower people will also follow the same way. So how the Krishna is running after gopis? So I am not able to understand this. So Yadupati Bhagwan, he is doing the Ras Vihar Leela with the gopis. So how the society will get the benefit by it? So what is the purpose of it to do such Leela? So by this, like how the society will get the benefit? Like by this society get benefit or not? Then the Shukdev Goswami Pad gives an answer, very beautiful answer he has given. So like how the Parikshit Maharaj asked the question, like the question is a very like beautiful. So the Yadupati Bhagwan, he incarnated in the world to protect the dharma, but how like he is running after the gopis and doing the Ras Leela? So which dharma he want to establish on this planet?